Hello guys, welcome to the class. At first glance, the keyboard looks like it's made up of several black and white keys. But let's take a closer look. Can you see a pattern? What do you see? I can see groups of 2 black keys and 3 black keys. And if you take a closer look, you can see that it's repetitive across the instruments. So you see 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2 black keys, 3 black keys. Now let's notice something else with the white keys. Around each group of black keys, now let's take the 2 black keys. You realize there's the same pattern of white keys, like these 3 right here. And if you take the 3 black keys, you would notice the same pattern of white keys. Now let's look at the bigger picture. What are we realizing here? We're having the same group of keys being repeated on the keyboard. Do you notice that? We're having how many keys now? We're having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 group of keys being repeated on the keyboard. 12 group of keys, also known as octaves. So this can be considered an octave. This group can be considered an octave. So that's why you have some keyboards that are wider, some are smaller, because they have a smaller number of octaves. So we have keyboards that have 5 octaves, others have 7 octaves, others have 8 octaves. Alright, let's move on. Every note on the keyboard has a name, and we're going to learn that next. Let's start with the white keys. Now, just like the alphabets, the names start from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and we're back to A. Can you notice? Do you realize we're back to A? So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and we're back to A. Now let me show you an easier way to remember the names of the white keys. Let's look at a set of 2 black keys. The white note, the white key that comes before that set of 2 black keys is a C. Now let's look at a set of 3 black keys. The white key that comes before them is what? An F. So if you find yourself lost anywhere on the keyboard, at least you know that you can find a C or an F, because a C comes before a set of 2 black keys and an F comes before a set of 3 black keys. So the black keys derive their names from the white keys, but we are going to learn that in another lesson. So see you in the next lesson.